Hi guys, hi everyone. Wow, so many people are joining already. Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IronFX webinars. How are you guys doing so far? Any one of you guys have the money brew today? Or any one of you guys like already make a money from gold? Wow. I'll just look at the goal right now. Okay. Okay, while we are waiting for everyone to tune in, okay, I'm gonna just discuss a little bit on goal. Okay, since I have my setup here, okay, I can tell you this my my first sell entry, this is my second sell entry. Okay, this already hit my take profit and it's go down to my OB here, bullish OB, and you can see the bounce. It's very quick from here to all the way. It's about 200 pip, 230 pip. This for scalping. And anybody sell at this level. Okay. The OB here. Because today the topic, nothing is about all technical. We're going to talk about like how to become a successful trader. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys, okay, my up and down, and then like how I kind of get through all the like the bad habit, like always have the itchy hand, want to like enter or force yourself to trade. Okay, but over here, okay, recently I'm kind of like explore, okay, or look more on the structure in the lower time frame. Yeah, I have been like working on this about one and a half or almost 2 months. Okay, so I'm gonna explain why I sell at this level. Like, look here, my entry M1, okay, at M1, but I based on the structures, okay, able to look here. Okay, I'm gonna start the webinar another like 2 minutes. Let's just everyone tune in. Okay, like I was looking at these structures in M15. Of course, today, based on D1 time frame, we're gonna look for the buy. We're gonna look for the buy entry, which is this morning I missed the entry when price falling. Okay, I think the market open at my time zone is about 8 a.m. somewhere around this level, which is this one in the lower time frame. You can see that look on the higher time frame for the D1, right? You can see the bullish OB here, right? Price has come to this level, which is the H1 OB, okay? H1 OB here, and the confirmation I got, I want to say, but then I was like just so out price. I did not put the buy limit. Price go to the OB, closing with confirmation, right? You can see the bullish OB are falling, okay? And then this is my narrow entry, which is in M1. And then after that, you will see that in the M1, this is your BOS, right? Break of structures. Okay, and now in order for price to changing the chain of character, they shouldn't, the price should not go beyond this level, but it's go beyond. So this is going to be chain of character, right? So you wait for price to pull back, and it's really pull back to this level, and then rising, make another BOS here, break of structure, right? This is break of structure here. I go to M1, right? You can see break of structure. And I'm going to look for after that price went all the way down and broke below this low. This is the low, right? That puts the price all the way to make the higher high from this higher high, right? So I was looking, okay, price had closed below. This is my shadow character or market structure, whatever you want to call. Okay, so my first sell zone is what here. At this OB, and then another one is here, and the last one is gonna be here. The first sell here, price falling, I think it's about 40 pip. I did not close. Okay, I did not close. I hold. And price did not respect this. And you can see it. You can see this is the OB, right? This is a bearish OB. Price did not respect. Go to all the way to this OB. So I have another sell here. From this OB, this one is changed to become your breaker box. Do you guys attend the SMC Smart Money concept? So you can see break, pull back, so sell, right? All the way here, pull back, and now it's close below this is TP1. So from this one, we have chain of character already. So from this is gonna be your, what is this? Your break of structure. The TP that I'm aiming for, you can either use one, either OB, second one, you can put the range from this high to this low. Okay, I pull this gonna TP1 and you can aim for this OB. It's hit take profit. It's done. That's quick. 250 pips. If anyone want me to like, share with you guys how I look at like a structure, you can let me know. I might come up with this topic maybe in December because in November already full if you want. Because nowadays I trade a lower time frame. I look more to like structure. Okay. All right, guys. What happened here? Okay. Nice to see every one of you guys here. Can you guys hear and see me clearly? Can you just put hands up? Okay, thank you. Okay, so like I just mentioned, okay, I'm really happy to see you guys here. Okay, my name is Peggy, but before we start the webinar, just disclaimer first, all right, guys. So if you say that this information is not considered as an investment advice or an investment recommendation, but instead marketing communication. Okay, and risk warning over here. Our products are traded on margin and carry a high level of risk, and it is possible to lose all your capital. This product may not be suitable for everyone, and you should ensure that you understand the risk involved. Okay. If the Forex is suitable for everyone, I think we're gonna have like millionaire, okay, in this world, like everybody can be a millionaire, but you know that like maybe 10 of us or maybe 20 of us, we learn the same topic, but only one or two or maybe like 50% you get, or you can pick the topic, but some of you guys may think that okay, this topic or this strategy is not suitable for me. It's like we enter or we go to the school, right? We go to the school, okay, maybe my class, okay, let's just say like 10 or 20 of like our classmates that will have like number one, number two, number three, and the last one going to be the last, like last one. So when I was in school, I consider I'm like okay one. I don't say like I'm like very happy, but I kind of like the top one, okay? Okay, so about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst. I have been trading the Forex, I think it's more than 5 years now. I have seen the, high and the low of the market. And if you enter in the Forex market more than 5 years, you saw that gold is went down all the way to about 1,600. Okay, and then at that time, a few years ago, we were thinking when is gold gonna go to the 2,000? Whenever gold went to the 2,000, it kind of like went down. Okay, that's the lowest I saw. And then last time talking about gold, based on M1 and M5, gold usually is like move, okay, 30 to 50 pip, okay, within like 5 minutes or even like 1 hour, or per day gold is move around 20 or 30 pip, 200 or 300 pip per day if there is a like high impact news coming, such as CPI, NFP, okay. But nowadays, okay, gold move how much, guys? Gold move how much? Let's look for the D1. And if you don't have if you have no ideas, you can use the ATR, average to range, okay, and you will see that gold is move per day how many pip? 10,000 point. or 1,000 pip per day. Based on the D1 time frame, gold average for gold moves around 1,000 pip, which is here 103. It's about 1,000, just round up or round down. Okay, based on D1. Okay, if you're gonna, like, let's say you're gonna move back long time ago. Okay, you see there. Maybe I start from here. You look here, right? Is okay based on this. About in 2019, December 19, gold moves about 260 pip only. And look here, 260 pip for gold based on D1 time frame. If there's a high impact news for the D, it's about, you see that? Yeah, it's about 26. Okay. And after that, 22.17 for D1, right? Like you see 2019 per day. Okay, and now I'll start to have like here's about 260 pip. Okay, and after that 330. But recently gold has moved a lot since it break out of this 3,000 let's just say 3,500. Okay, from that level. They keep like move a lot. Okay, so totally like totally different from like last time. And I have some of my community, they share with me, okay, the person, his friend, okay, the friend, she just know the Forex market, okay, it's about 3 months. So we know that within the 3 months, we know that goes on uptrend, right? And within 3 months, she lose the money, it's about 40K. Within 3 months, 40K, that's a lot. Okay, so now she stopped trading. Okay, I don't think she kind of very stressful because the 40,000 that is her saving. Okay, it's too bad. I know that a lot of people they earn a lot when goes on like training market, like the training. So a lot of people keep buying. I know there's so many people, my community, they earn a lot, like million. I can tell you million. Okay, within I think 2 to 3 months, they earn a lot. Okay, and there also another people also lose a lot as well. And some of my community, they stop trading gold for the moment. They go and trade like another pair. Okay, like I just like, I have seen through in my experience, I just mentioned like I learned, I learned my mistake. Okay, really through my mistake, I learned that, and I try not to repeat it again. It takes time. Okay, so the agenda for today, so we're going to cover like understanding financial market, continuous learning, and develop a trading plan, starting from small and scaling up. And you can join those like mentorship, community support. That's a lot of the trader, whenever you trade by yourself or you trade alone or you trade when you are family member or your people surround you, they don't understand about Forex. Some of them, they will think that Forex is just gambling. Okay, so that's why a lot of my community, okay, they trade by themselves, they're very stressful, so they come and they join my community, that are talking, sharing the trade idea. Then for them, they feel much better. At least we talk in the same page, because other people, okay, or people around them, they will think that for it just scamming, because you just buy and sell. Okay, and if you are a hot temper and you're an impatient person, Forex is not suitable for you, because you need to be calm, you need to be composed, you need to like wait. Okay, Forex is for you to just wait for the right entry. If you miss the entry, never mind. Don't have like FOMO and like chase market. Okay, just wait. The patience is the key for Forex market. If you want to earn the money, you cannot have the kind of mindset like, okay, I want to get rich in one day. Okay, no. You should just think like how much you want per day and how much the market gonna give you. If the market give you how many, $10, $20, or even like $50, you just appreciate and take it. Okay, don't always like, oh no, I see other people, they make 1,000, 2,000, or maybe 5,000, 10,000. I want to be like that. Yes, you can be like that, but you need to look at your capital, what capital you're using, how long have you been in Forex market? You've been in Forex market less than 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. No, it takes time for you to be there. Okay, it takes time for you to be there. So before you're gonna be there, you need to be consistent. There's something you can improve. Okay. Wow, gold is falling close below 4,000. That's so crazy. Okay, so continuous learning. Okay, I tell you, I share my experience with you. I'm not the best. Okay, I tell you that. I just, share whatever I learned myself. I even went through all the pain, which is some of you guys might been there before, or some of you guys might encounter right now, or because of gold. Okay, so you need to stay updated with finance news and market trend daily. So whenever I trade, the first thing first, I need to look at the forex market. I just want to know any high impact news coming, which is especially for like US dollar, because I trade gold the most, or maybe EURUSD or GBPUSD. So I want to know that any news coming I need to aware of, or any news coming that gonna impact my pair that I want to trade. Okay, that's the first thing first. Second, read textbook by expert. Reading, I'm not good at reading. I like to listening. I'm learned by listening. There's so many ways for you guys to learn. You learn by watching, listening, or reading. I like to listen. So I listen to a podcast. And last time I learned Forex by myself from YouTube. Okay. And I don't even join the webinar. I don't know about webinar. Last time I didn't think there's a webinar. I don't even join the webinar. I learned myself for myself. Okay, last time from the YouTube, the free one. Okay, I never pay to to learn the Forex market. Okay, I learn by myself. There's so many mistakes. Okay, but of course it will take time. Okay, for you to be there. You can take online course and learn certification. So this one is not necessary, because for CFA or CT or FMT, for those like people who want to work in those institutions, they might require a certificate. Analyze both successful and failed trade for insights. You should have the trading journal. Okay, you should just record. Okay, like today you buy to sell, hit TP or take profit, and why. Which strategy you are using. Okay, if here's a stop loss, why his stop loss? First, you say, is he stop loss one? You will say that okay, because you did not wait for the setup. Okay, you have the setup. For example, anybody like go and read and about conscious mind and subconscious, you should go and read. Okay, let's say you early in the morning you do very proper setup. Okay, you say that okay, I'm gonna wait to sell at this level. You have very nice plan. Okay, but after that price is rising. Okay, price is rising, and from that your mindset, your what, your you have the feeling. Okay, you have the feeling. For example, let's say you want to wait to buy to sell at this level, for example. Okay, and then price is maybe from this level. Okay, from this level you see the rejection, and then you have the FOMO. Because in your mind you have encountered that there's a one event, like say you want to sell at this level, then price rising here. Price rising to this level, and then it's falling all the way. That's what in the past, right? And then your mind is registered here. So whenever price go up for the same event happen at this level, okay, and after that you see the rejection, then after that it would automatically, oh, price is going to reverse at that time, so you will just sell here, and then you did not manage your loss side, you sell here. Okay, then after that price is rising. If you manage your lot size, okay, price rising here, and then you will have another sell entry. But if you over trade and then price is rising, either you have the margin call, because maybe of your leverage you cannot have another entry, and then after that you will say that you feel like, oh, you will feel disappointed of yourself, or you say that I should wait here. Why? Because you have a FOMO, you have a fear of losing trade. Okay, because your subconscious ask you to where you sell here, sell here, sell here, sell here. So you sell. Maybe you always have a fear. So whenever, if you want to kind of change your mindset, you need to be confident of yourself, and then you have to tell yourself or self-talk that I'm gonna wait here. I know that. You can write it down. Okay, you can write it down to remind yourself. If you want to sell here, you have to tell yourself, no, I'm not gonna sell here because last time I sell here, price rising, and based on your trading journal, my setup, 80% is right. The reason why you always cannot be constantly make a profit because you have FOMO. Okay, your setup is 100% or maybe 90% correct, but it's just that you can't wait because you have a FOMO, you have a fear of losing trade. So you need to talk yourself, or you can just tell yourself, for example, you write it down. Okay, I see that price have my chain of character here. It's gonna pull here, even though let's say you see the rejection here. No, if we're gonna come here eventually. If price did not come here, I don't trade, I wait. But if price from here falling, never mind. I don't earn anything, but I don't lose anything because I have experienced that I have the FOMO here, and then I sell price rising all the way up here and then falling. I cannot enter again because I have margin call or because of the leverage. You need to like write down and you stick on your trading desk in front of you. Then you can see and remind yourself. Okay, if you always have like itchy hand, want to enter the trade, you should do that. Okay. Develop a trading plan. Okay, you like I mentioned, define a clear goal. Okay, risk tolerance, how much you can risk, not how much you want to earn. Like, okay, for today, you think first. If you want, okay, maybe like your account is 1,000. You say that, okay, today I have the a plan. I'm willing to lose maybe $100 to $200. If it hits my stop loss, I'm gonna close tomorrow. I come back again. Okay, you need to be calm, and then you need to reset your mind, reset your mindset. Okay, choose your strategy. Your day trade scalping, or your swing trader. Okay, you pick first. Okay, if you think that okay, I think it's scalping, I don't have so much time, I don't have time to look at the computer, and then you can just do a day trading. Okay, maybe day trading you can just enter maybe 1 to 2 trades set up based on a higher time frame, which is just now I show you guys, which is M1 and M5 that I consider scalping. So I have time to look at my computer, so I can wait. Okay, and then you set risk management. You want to risk how many percent? 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. Usually they will say that you shouldn't risk more than 1 to 2%. That is just you should for the long term. Okay, but if you are have experience, and then you think that okay, I can risk 3%, 4%, that's acceptable, that is okay. I'm not gonna judge people that no, I risk 3%, 5%, I risk 8%. But if you think that you can take risk, is go ahead. And then if you think that based on the trading journal, okay, you risk 3%, 5%, okay, your win rate is more than 70, 80, that is good enough. Because whenever people say that okay, they're risking maybe 5% or maybe even like 7%, I was like, oh, that's a lot. Yeah, but behind that, we don't know whether their strategy, okay, they have how many win rates, right? So that is just the idea for you. You shouldn't risk 1 to 2% for the long term, but I don't judge people, okay, because everybody, okay, everything you need to learn from your own mistake. We listen, but I listen, you listen, okay, but not many people they follow. You need to go and experience yourself, and then you have the pain. Okay, you pain until you feel numb or numbness, until that time you will realize that okay, I should change. Why you should change? Because if that strategy is work out, or what you have been doing for the past few years is work out, the result you shouldn't be like right now, right? You should already be like successful trader. You should have like constantly make a profit. It's not like roller coaster. today you earn 2,000, tomorrow you lose 3,000, or maybe tomorrow you earn 1,000. On second day you earn 500. On the third day you earn 2,000, and the fourth day you lose 5K. You get what I mean? So meaning there's something wrong, either your mindset, either your strategy, or maybe because your method or whatever, you need to change. Okay, like I always think that if the strategy or what you have been doing it work out, then you shouldn't come. I mean, you shouldn't like, come and attend the webinars already. You get what I mean? Or you don't come and like, why to become a successful trader. Okay. Or maybe you have time. I appreciate that you come and join my webinar, but trust me, it takes time for me to become who I am today. I cannot be like that within like 1 year. I take like 2 years. I think my second year and the third year, I realized that I need to change. Last time I'm a scalper and I don't look at market structure like how to read break of structure or this. No, I only rely on indicator on EMA only last time. Okay, but it takes time and the experience for you to be there. So if you go and join or you see anything online, you will say that I can train you, okay, within 3 months or 6 months, you become maybe like make a profit 10K per month or this. I will tell you that you can learn the strategy, but you cannot, make the money per month within a few months or a few weeks, which is whatever they advertise there. Okay, because it takes time for you to be there. Okay, there is no shortcut. I tell you, in forex market there is no shortcut. There's no shortcut because I have learned so many strategy. Okay, somehow I pick that strategy here and there to make it become my own system. Okay, I pick, maybe I pick a wave, or maybe I pick a smart money concept or ICT, and then make it become my trading system. You can do that. Okay, just go and learn and invest on yourself. Okay, and where am I? Very target. Okay, document everything. Okay, document everything and review your plan regularly. So this is like your trading journal. You should do that. I have do that, and I um and I also write down, like I write down here. You will see maybe small one here. I like here, right? I got write down something like every day, and I also write down to like appreciate everything every day, like what you want to say thank you. I say thank you to everything every day. You have to do that. Why? It will make yourself it kind of like train your mind basically, because there's a book called The Magic. Is it called The Magic? Law of Attraction. You should go and read The Magic. Is it called The Magic? Yeah. From the Magic. Ronenberg. Yeah, this book. It's called The Magic. Easily The Magic, guys. I recommend some of you guys may read this before. This is a good one. You will do this every day. Okay, you will say thank you. You appreciate whatever you have learned yesterday, even though you hit stop loss or whatever. You will just kind of like change from the negative thought become the positive one. This is a good one, and this has been, it will change the new you. Okay, you go and find and read. If you don't like to read, you just go and listen to the podcast. Okay. For example, like I go and read, they will say that, okay, for example, like yesterday or maybe last week, I lose, maybe it's my stop loss, I lose 5K, for example. Within the 5K, you will say yourself, oh, I shouldn't overtrade, or I should just cut loss. You say I lose 5K, that would be my like maybe like school fee or your family whatsoever the amount, right? Maybe it will change the way you think that, okay, thank you for the lesson you have learned last week. I know you say yourself like, I already know if I do like that again, I'm gonna lose. I should change. I shouldn't do that. Thank you for the lesson. I'm learning something. So I learned that if I keep doing like that, I'm gonna lose the money again. Okay, then you say thank you to yourself, and then you also have to say thank you to yourself that It's okay. And tell yourself, it's okay. Like I say myself, like, it's okay, Peggy. Last week, you hit stop loss. It's okay. You did good. Next week, we're gonna start everything again. And then you're gonna be patient. Okay. Don't jump in the market. Don't have the kind of like the FOMO of fear. Okay. Trust yourself. Trust your own strategy. You're gonna get better day by day. Something like that. Okay. Just change like tip thought and you try to find something good maybe in yourself or in the person or whatsoever, you go and read. Okay, that's a good one. That's a good book. And the another one, if you want to be the millionaire, the book I recommend is the Millionaire Mindset. Or what's it? I forgot the name. Anybody read? Uh, the Millionaire. I forgot the book name. I can search for you. Quick one, okay. I recommend these two books. It will change. You hang on. And let's say if you lose money to the from the Forex market, right? You just think that okay, you just put it there first. You're gonna take back together with the interest, okay? That would be called let me find that it's called the book called you hang on. The the secret of the millionaire, something like that. Wait. The secret of million. Million mile. Yes. I think it is the one. Yeah. Oh, okay. Somebody said the secret of the millionaire mindset. Yep. You can read. You can read. Okay. This is a good one as well. Okay. And I also have another one. Another one is that rich dad, poor dad. Go and read. Okay, you can read another one. This one. This book. Go and read it and Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Go and read this. This is good. Oh, okay. Somebody asked me how was the result for the EMA. EMA to me, I'm still traded with the EMA, but I'm not purely rely on the EMA. Okay, I use the EMA to either look for dynamic support and resistance. I use the EMA to identify the key level and for my take profit. Okay, there is strategy for you to use the EMA. Okay, wait. Okay, so the book just now, just go and read. Okay, Poor Dad and Rich Dad. Good one. Okay, and the starting small and scaling up. First, of course, we're not gonna go for the demo. I'm use the demo account just to use like the interface, like how to play the stop loss, how to use all the get familiar with the platform. But after that, okay, I don't use demo to trade. One is the thing because of whenever I trade with the demo account, there is no emotion involved. Okay, so whenever I trade with the demo, okay, I hit stop loss and take profit, I'm not gonna feel anything because I know that it's a demo. That is not the real money. So you should trade with your real account, with maybe just small account, maybe start with $100 or maybe $500 to test out your strategies. You can just trade a strategy with smaller the size with 0.01 if you trade if you are using a GBP or those like the currency pair because if price rising, if you maybe you just risk less than maybe $10, okay? But if you want to trade on gold, okay, gold is really volatile. Even though you place like 0.01, if you move 100 pips, you're gonna lose already $10. If you don't try the strategy, you should just try with those like currency pair because the pip is cheaper. Okay, you can try, and then it don't move so fast. Okay, and start with small capital. You can afford to lose completely. So how much you can lose? You can just maybe try with $100 or maybe $500. Okay, so it's up to you. Focus on consistency and building good habit over the profit. The first thing, you shouldn't look on the profit first. You should look on the strategy and the win rate. Okay, the profit will come later. Whenever you have the confidence, okay, the profit will come eventually. Okay, gradually increase processing size as you prove profitability. Okay, this has come with your confidence on your setup. Okay, scale up over after achieving 6 months of consistent returns. It's up to you, but to me, okay, I don't like to grow my account. And I have the reason why I don't like to grow the account. Some other people, they can grow the account because they are very disciplined. Okay, I don't like to grow because, for example, if I start out with 1K, okay, and I made a profit, let's say constant like $200 per day, 200 per day. Maybe within 1 week, my account will go to 2,000. Okay, maybe the next week, okay, my loss size gonna change because why? You will see your account is getting bigger. Last time I trade gold, maybe I just put like 0.05, for example. Okay, now if you think you can be disciplined, but sometimes we have a greed, we are human. Whenever you see your account is bigger, your lot size is gonna be like the bigger as well. Okay, meaning that we risk more. Okay, so usually what I do, okay, end of the day, I withdraw the profit. Or maybe I have a two account, I just withdraw or I transfer the profit to another account there, just in case if I have margin call or I need like, immediately the transfer the fund, because sometimes the bank will take not like within 1 minute sometime, right? So I just allocate my profit there, okay? And after that, if you have confidence, okay, I think that, okay, I be disciplined. I think I can already control myself, or you can like win yourself, for example. And then I will start maybe 3 months later, or maybe 5 months, or maybe 6 months. I'm gonna start with 5K. Okay, with 5K, my lot size maybe from 0.05, I might go to like 0.1. Okay, why? For example, let's say it's a similar like last time, for example, like maybe last job, for example, I earn 1K, for example, my salary is a 1K, $1,000. Okay, then I jump to another job. Okay, last time, okay, with 1K, I can survive. Okay, and after that, if you go, I have another offer, they give me like $2,000 per month. Okay, $2,000 per month. Okay, I'm really happy. Okay, after 2,000, I still don't have a saving. Why? 1,000, I don't have a saving. When I have $2,000, I don't have a saving. Why? Because your expense also increase. Right? You get what I mean? You did like 1,000, I can spend 500. But whenever you have a 2,000, you tend to like buy more thing. Okay, it's the same like you trade Forex. If you don't have discipline, your lot size gonna increase. Also, high chance you're gonna hit the stop loss. Okay, so usually a lot of my community, okay, we don't grow account. Grow account is good if you have discipline, but usually when I want to make a profit, I just take out and reset to 1,000, maybe reset to 5,000, depend on your account. Okay, why you should withdraw? Another thing is that if you make the profit, okay, you should withdraw and then you reward yourself. I'm talking about reward yourself, not reward your family. Why? Let's say you trade the Forex, you earn 500. You're so happy, okay, you pay, you bring your loved one, you bring your kid out, buy, but you did not treat yourself. I did not, like tell you to be selfish to the loved one. No, you should have small portion to reward yourself. Like maybe if you're a guy, you can just maybe go and buy a night shirt, or maybe a girl, you can just maybe go and do nail whatsoever to make yourself happy. At least you reward yourself because you work hard. Not that you work so hard for the family, you support them, and now you're gonna burn out because you never reward yourself at all. So 10% or 20%, I'm gonna reward myself. Another one, I allocate, I keep. Okay, to make myself happy. Good day to everyone. Hey, Jimalu, nice to see you here. Correct. So from now on, if you have been working so hard and then you never ever buy anything for yourself, you have been, supporting your family, your loved one, your wife, your child. From now on, from today, you should reward yourself first to make yourself happy. Okay, and from there, yourself happy, and then you can make everyone happy, right? We not call selfish, okay? Because you work so hard, right? You work so hard, then like for I myself, like I'm look at the computer, I'm like earn the money, I mean from trading. Okay, whenever we make a profit, you're so happy, you bring your family out. But whenever if you hit a stop loss, what you're gonna do? How you gonna deal with yourself? You need to ask yourself, if you hit stop loss today, let's say today you lose 1,000, do you feel something? If you feel really stressful, if you feel that, oh, the money I really need it, okay, end up you will lose everything. If today hit a stop loss, you tell your mindset, it's okay. Stop loss is just part of your trading. If you cut loss, at least you still have the capital to earn back. You still have the knowledge, right? You have the knowledge, you know how to trade. Tomorrow you can come back, or it might take like 1 day or 2 days or 3 days for you to earn back what you have lost. Okay, we are not God. I also have the stop loss. I also cut loss. Sometimes I set my stop loss. Okay, I set my stop loss. I see price rising. It's going to hit my stop loss. I cut loss. Okay, after I cut loss, less than 1 minute, price is reward and go all the way to my take profit. But I cut loss at let's say maybe $500 or 1,000. Then what I need to do, I have to breathe in and breathe out and tell myself, that is okay. What if I did not cut loss and then price go and hit my stop loss? I cut loss 500, but if I wait until it cut loss, it hit my stop loss, I lose 1,000. Never mind, 500, I can earn back maybe tomorrow. That is okay. Okay, you have kind of to tell yourself like that. You shouldn't have like, I shouldn't cut loss. You see, if I cut loss, if I don't cut loss, I would have earned maybe 2,000, 3,000. You shouldn't have that kind of mindset. Whenever you cut loss, it's cut loss. You cannot undone, right? What I have done is done already. So move on. Okay. Mentorship and community support. This is very important. I just mentioned if you trade alone by yourself, you should just go and like join the community or the mentorship whatsoever, and have someone to talk to. Okay, at least you don't like feel so stressful by yourself. Okay. Last time, okay. Oh, not last time. Even now, okay. Even now today, okay. My partner, my husband know that I trade Forex. I do this work, but my sister, my family, my father, my mother, they don't know that I'm doing the Forex or I do all this kind of work. Okay, because I don't like to explain, because if I explain, they don't understand. Because they are work in the office and they like work other thing else. So when I tell them, I just say, okay, I'm doing work. They don't ask me what work I'm doing. Okay, they don't ask me, so I don't say. Okay, so because sometimes I don't like to like explain, okay, Forex is like this, like that, like that, like this. Okay, because if like maybe the old people, they would think that, okay, Forex is just like gambling. Okay, it's just like for you to buy and to sell, right? It look like gambling if you don't know how to trade. Okay, it's like head and toe. That's it. Okay. And you can join those like a trading community and a forum to the peer to learning, attend the webinar, workshop, and trading conference. The webinar, yes, you already joining. That's why you see me share the experiences and learn from others' success mistake. I have so many mistakes. I try not to repeat again. Okay. But sometime, okay, this is not a good one, but I can tell you sometime, okay, I still have the revenge trading, okay, because I'm a human, okay. Okay, so that's why I have the piece of paper here to just say, okay, if hit a stop loss, you already lose 3K or 1K, I should stop. Okay, and one of the things that I try not to trade during the New York session because based on my trading journal, usually, okay, let's just say 80% I'm gonna lose whenever I trade during the New York section. Okay, New York section 1 is not suitable for my time zone because over here, New York section is about 8:30 or 9 p.m. my time zone. Usually I'm resting already. I'm very active during the London session. Okay, so unless I want to trade in the New York section, if I'm waiting for the level, Asian section is not come, London section is not come, and if the New York section and then if I'm free, my kids not around, I'm gonna trade. But if very rare, I would just say like 20% I'll trade during the New York section. So you can pick the section that's suitable for your lifestyle. Okay. And my mistake last time, not anymore. Last time when I was new, I trade during the NFP. NFP, I trade. I tell you, I earn a lot, which is a few K. I earn a lot. Okay, I'm so happy because I was new. Wow, I was thinking like, what is so easy money to earn? No. Within like a few minutes, I earn a few K. But then the next month again, I lose. And the next month again, I lose. So overall calculate, alright, I lose more than I earn. So from that, I stopped because I lose a lot during the MVP. So I stopped trading, totally stopped trading during the NFP. Okay, and usually one of the things, Friday, I try not to trade because sometimes Friday is the last day of the week that's go really volatile. It's really volatile. So if I have been making the money from Monday to Thursday, Friday is my me time. On Friday, I don't have webinar. I don't work on Friday. So Friday, I try not to trade. Maybe I might open and then I will see, or maybe morning I already make a profit during the agent section and then I just close. I go out and do my own thing. Okay, my kids not around, so I have my own thing. I can exercise, do other things out, or watch my series. So yeah, and a lot of my community, okay, I share with them. They also realize that they also lose money on Fridays. Okay, so Friday don't trade. For me, I don't trade, but for you just up to you guys. But to me, usually I don't trade on Friday, and I don't work on Friday. I don't do the webinar on Friday as well. Okay, it's my me time. All right. Let me see where am I already. Okay, and then okay, one of the thing, right? You look here. Stay disciplined is the key for the Forex. I can tell you it will be the key for you to stay disciplined. Okay. Last time I would tell myself, okay, let's say based on 1K account, okay, I would say that okay, my target per day 150, okay, or maybe 200. Okay. I have been doing that constantly, like 200, 250, 300, or maybe 150 for at least 3 weeks. Okay. Then after that, for the 4th week, I did not stay disciplined. I want more. It's only 200. Okay. Morning, I read on 200. I did not stop. Go back. Maybe I lose maybe 150. Then I will tell myself, okay, I still have $50 for the profit that I make. So I go back and trade again. I lose $50. I also lose my capital to 200 or 300. Like, and it just keep like circle and circle like that. Until I tell myself, no, I need to stop. So 200 or maybe 150, I close. You see that? Let's just say $200 per day. You multiply by 20. Your additional income is 4K. It's already 4,000. That's why you need to have the Excel. I have the Excel to do like that. Okay, this is my additional. If I stay disciplined, even though like maybe you aim for $100, if you are like full-time, working full-time, okay, you have additional, let's just say $100. If you ask me, is it $100 is achievable? Yes, it's achievable, even like $200. The thing is that you need to stay disciplined. All right, you see that? Maybe 20 days, okay, you time $100 is already 2K. is your additional income 2K, that's a lot, Let's just say if you don't know about Forex, how you gonna get 2K from? Maybe you work overtime, or maybe you buy the lottery, or whatever. Yeah. So, but if you know the Forex, right, you just maybe you wait, and then, even though you aim for $50 if you are full-time, working full-time, right, it's still money. So that's why I really happy. I'm really happy with the profit now. They give me how much I will just take from the market. $10, $20, $500, $1,000. It depends on your account. I just appreciate. I would say thank you to the money, right? Because why? Because last time, if you go and read about the secret, it's a secret, just not the book. Yeah, the secret, like you go and read, right? They will say that if you did not appreciate, like everything like surround you, they try to push the thing out of you. So whenever I earn like maybe $50, $100, I'm so happy, nowadays, like I'm happy more than last time I earned 5K, because 5K last time I earned is like roller coaster, up down up down. When I earn, I'm so happy. When I lose more, I feel like the world that collapse on me. You get what I mean? So now I train my mindset. I'm happy with the profit. $50 is also good enough for me also, because I still have additional income from like work, trading, also my like maybe side income, additional money. So $200 for me, yeah, achievable. So every month I have another 4,000. That is enough to me. But some of you guys is not enough. Some of you guys know I want 10K, I want 20K per month, I want 5K per month. If you ask me, you can do that. Yes, you can think like that, you can dream to become like that, but it will take time. And then you come back to yourself. Do you think that you're capable to do that? If you think that okay, you can do that, then you go ahead. I have a friend, they trade every day, 5K, 3K, 5K per day, then withdraw every day. I have a friend, I have my community. One day they also like earn more than 10K, okay, but they wait for the setup. But some of them, they like do scalping, okay, and I have been looking or watching from the like TikTok. Right, there's so many like so many like influencer, they come and like tell you and buy or sell, and like layer in zone a lot. I was like, if you have been for like market more than 5 years, you will say, oh, it's more like gambling, okay, more than gambling. And then if you look at their capital, they can like layer in so like so many entry, because the capital is big. What if you go and follow, and then your capital is only 1,000 or maybe 500? Okay, the person, from there they can hold the stop loss, or maybe the first entry was, let's say they were entry at 2,000, for example, gold, for example, okay, and then let's say they sell, let's say they buy, let's say they buy gold at 2,000, and then price is falling maybe to 1,990. Okay, they put here is like one lot. Now then already one lot, they already negative 1K. What if you follow? Maybe because let's say your account is only 1K, the person maybe 10K account. If you just blindly follow, okay, the person hold the position. Maybe from here, because the account is big, so they can have another buy entry with martingale 2 lot, or maybe one lot, like multiple over here. Price rising, okay, they are positive, but your account gone. So sometimes you cannot like blindly or follow those like influencer or whatsoever in their like whatever you can see in social media, because they, after that, let's say they lay in zone here, they make a profit, and then they will claim themselves, correct? They'll say, oh, now rising 100 pip, anybody have made a profit, give me a thumbs up. Some of them, yeah, but some of you, or some of them also have lose the money, have that. Okay, so just take note of that. All right, if you take time, guys, trust me, it will take time for you to become what you want. Like, I mean, like, it will take time for you to become a successful trader. A lot of my friend or someone I know, okay, they just give up. They just give up the forex market because they say that that is not suitable for them. Okay, some of them just go back and work in the like in the office. Some of them before they make like 5K per month. Okay, then they resign and then they trade forex. Some of them successful, some of them say, oh, they go back to the corporate work again, so they don't trade forex anymore. So like I just mentioned, it's not suitable for everyone. It take a lot of the energy, you know, for you to like to kind to win yourself, you know, because we have been okay, if like we have been doing all the things like become the habit, and then after that you want to change to become the new you or to become someone you want to be, it will take time. It will take time for you. It will take time. It will take like effort for you to become the new one. Okay, because like I just mentioned, if you think that whatever you have been doing is correct, why you still here? Why your trading is still never improved, meaning there was something wrong, then you need to change. Okay, so the key takeaway today I would say that successful require in dedication to learning market um, fundamental. A well-defined trading plan is your roadmap to consistency. So every time, just first open a Forex factory, look for any high impact news coming, do the trade setup, and then wait. And then you ask yourself how much you can risk. Okay, and you can start with the small first to prove your strategy with maybe $100 or maybe $300 account, so it's up to you. And after that, you can just like gradually like scale up. Okay, then you should surround yourself with a mentor or the supportive community. Okay, that's why I say if you're trade by yourself alone and your family is not understand, okay, or somebody don't even see why you're doing that, okay, just go and find a community whoever like trade the same, and then you can share the experience, maybe like listen to other people mistake, something like that. Okay, and then I would say that the trading journey start now. Remember, successful trading is a marathon, it's not a sprint. The goal of the successful trader is to make the bad trades. Money is secondary. So the forex, don't think about the money first. Think about how long you're gonna stay in the forex market, how far you can survive. Okay, if you can win yourself, trust me, the forex is suitable for you. And you just be happy. Okay, whenever you hit the stop loss, make a profit, be happy. Okay, and always think that okay, you think you should say that you thank to the forex market, the forex market, that's why you have another like additional income, or you have another source for you to find the money or additional money. Okay, for example, like if I don't know a forex, right, I think I need to go out and work. Okay, but if you have the knowledge, you have the computer, you everywhere you can trade. On a holiday, go out, anywhere you can trade, right? But the thing is, back to the basic, you need to have a knowledge. Okay, and trading psychology also is really important as well. If you have the money, you have the knowledge, you don't have the trading psychology, the mindset is still cannot, and then you cannot be a successful trader. I think trading psychology and the mindset is take about 80%. 80% is all about your mindset, about how you think about, okay, like about the market, about the forex, whatsoever. Is about the mindset. 20% is just all about the strategy, what you have learned. Okay, why I say that? Because everybody, right, we study the same, we study or whatever we study. Why some of us is become the millionaire, but why some of us is already give up, or why we still keep like circle, never get any improve. Okay, all right guys, that should be all from today. So I hope you guys learning something, and I support you. Okay, if you are the one who still that why is forex so stressful, how I going to earn the money that I dream of, or how am I going to like improve myself, or why I keep repeating the same mistake. Then today you're going to have a sales talk. You go on the mirror, in front of the mirror, in the bathroom or in the toilet, and then you talk to yourself. The first time you talk to yourself during the mirror, you might feel awkward because you never done that before. But if you have been talking to yourself, remind yourself, okay, and then you say it out, you know, it's like you kind of release, okay, you kind of release everything. Okay, so today, go and talk to yourself, you know, like you say something about yourself that, like, okay, something like, for example, like today, you make a profit, which is $100, just say like, Peggy, thank you so much. You know, I disciplined today. I'm really happy that I make a profit $100. I'm so happy. Okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna come back again and I'm gonna wait for the right setup. Or if today you hit the stop loss, okay, and then you tell yourself, it's okay, Peggy. Today I hit the stop loss. I learned something. I learned something while I hit the stop loss because I did not wait. I did not wait for the setup, and I know that my setup is very good. You see that your setup is very good. Okay, this nice setup. It's just the reason that you not wait. That's why you hit a stop loss. Tomorrow, try not to do it again. Okay. Sometimes like talk to yourself, like you talk to your friend, like you know, then you will feel better. Okay, and then you like breathe in and breathe out. Okay, that's it. Okay, it will take time, but trust me, if you want to change the new you need to change your mindset. You need to change the way you think. If you always like think very negative one, for example, like let's say you're driving, okay, for example, this is very like common. Let's say you're driving and then you enter to the car park, for example, and then you park the car, then the parking lot is so full, then you're already frustrated. It's like, I'm rushing, there's no parking at all. Then you know, instead of you always have like this kind of mindset, oh, it's okay, I can wait. Maybe it's not my time yet. Okay, I think the maybe another one they're gonna turn out. You kind of like, you know, calm down yourself. Then maybe you turn, oh, there's a parking lot, something like that, you know. But even like sometimes you're driving on the road, right, on the road, then you know some people who drive the car just like cut, maybe cut in your lane, and then you just make like, why you cut in your lane? Sometimes you just want to like scold them, right? You see the person driving so careless, you want to cut in my lane, you never like signal, something like that. But instead of say like, why, you just don't say that one, you don't say it out. You, if the kids around you, you should keep in yourself. And second one, you think that it's okay. I think the person, he might be rushing, so it's okay. You want to cut in. Thank God he not come and, you know, hit my car. Let him go or something like that. You get what I mean? So it change the way you think. Okay, from the negative thought become the positive one. So you just, and the book that I recommend that you go and read or you go and listen to the podcast is very good one. It's gonna change the new you. Okay, go and read The Secret and the Rich Dad Poor Dad. That is a very good one. I love that. And then the secret of millionaire mindset. This also very good. I listened this many times. And The Secret, I have been doing that many times as well. You write it down. The magic. It's called The Magic, right? It's called The Magic. You go and read. This is a really popular book, right? The Magic. I recommend. Okay. This one, go and read. Here. This is a very good one. Okay. And then if you can do, you go and read, or go and read, or you go and listen. If you can do 28 days from today onwards, okay, next month, if you have been doing this, right, you will tell me whether you're getting better or not. I can guarantee you're gonna get better by reading this book. Okay. You go and read. Self-help is good one. Okay, guys. All right, guys, that should be all for today. Okay, thank you so much. I'm gonna see you guys again next Monday. And the next Monday, we're gonna back to the basic, which I'm gonna share with you guys how you're going to identify the swing high and the swing low, which is the very important one. If you want to look like market structure, you need to know how to look for like swing high, the swing low, which is gonna be in next Monday. And a week after, we're going to talk about support and resistance, which is the trend line. We're gonna back to the basic. Okay, this is very important that you need to know how to identify the key level. One, you know, you have really like solid like support and resistance, and after that you can just go on to other like smart money concept or ICT, because those like ICT, smart money concept or others strategy, they still need to use like support and resistance. Okay, so I hope to see you guys again next Monday. Okay, guys, happy trading. Okay, all the best, whatever in the past. Okay, just forget it. Tomorrow is gonna be the new you. Okay, and train your mindset. You can do it. You can do it. I can do it. You also can do it. Okay, every one of us, you can do it. Okay, I support you. Yeah, I will talk to you again next Monday. Okay, guys, happy trading, guys. All the best. See you again next week. Bye for now. Take care, guys. Bye bye. You're welcome. Nice to share with you all as well. We're gonna become the millionaire together. Okay. If one of you guys become a millionaire, you let me know, okay? You treat me one coffee. My coffee is very cheap one. Okay, I drink very cheap coffee, like it cost me $2 only. I don't drink those like very fancy one. Okay. Okay, guys, bye bye. Take care.